Okay, good morning, everyone. I'm trying something a little bit different. I want to walk you through more of what you guys are going to be doing today. So, kind of showing you the different steps in today's lesson. So, that's why you're not seeing me, just hearing me, but you can see what we're going to be working on. So, hopefully, you have completed your agenda already and you have completed your bell work. So, here are 2 bell work questions for today. And let me show you what you guys have been working on today. So today we're starting with the civilization of Mesopotamia. So we're going to be looking at some geography. So in a moment, Ms. Bayo will give you a map that looks like this. Mine's a little bit completed, but your finished product will look something like this. When you first get your map, so Ms. Bayo is going to have this projected on the Elmo, and you're going to be able to see that up on the board. What I want you guys to do is either circle, underline, or highlight this word geography. So what that refers to is the study of the features of the earth. So you're going to go ahead and write that down when you get your map. This is the map portion that you're going to label, and you're going to be using maps on Google Classroom. So that's where you'll find where these locations are. Okay. So these are the locations that you are going to be labeling on the map above, and I also want you to add mountains. So I want you to add these 3 mountain ranges, which are on those Google Classroom maps that you will be taking a look at. Okay. If we look at item number 10, it says to create a key, and that's what this is right here. So the key on a map usually has different colors and what those colors represent. So for example, I'm going to draw a little blue box, and things that are going to be colored in blue are going to be rivers, seas, and gulfs. So if I look at what I have to find, Mediterranean Sea, Caspian Sea, Black River, or Black Sea, Euphrates River, Tigris River. So all those I'm going to label in blue. Okay. It's also asking me to locate and label a desert, the Syrian desert. That's going to be in orange because it's hot in the desert. It's also going to ask me to look for the Fertile Crescent, which is a very fertile area. So I'm going to label that in green because that area is going to have excellent soil for farming. And then last but not least, these mountains that I'm asking you guys to include, you're going to color those in brown. Okay, so this will stay up on the Elmo so you can use these colors. It could be different shades of blue, orange, and green. That's fine. You could do the darker shades. It's fine. And then last but not least, you're going to answer this question. Think about it. So how did the Tigris and Euphrates River enable Mesopotamia to flourish? And to flourish means to grow or to develop. So you're going to answer that question in 2 to 3 sentences. So at the end, your map should look very completed. Deserts, mountains, rivers, seas, everything that's asked for you in this area is located on that map. So that's what your map is going to look like. Once again, use your new Chromebooks to access Google Classroom and to use those maps as the most recent announcement to complete your own map. Okay, so that is what you guys are going to be working on today. And if you guys do have time, you guys can work on your acrostic poems. So I got a good stack of those over here. I'll be grading those probably today or tomorrow. Okay, so let me kind of turn it over and see if you guys can see me now. Make sure I can see my double chin. So hello everyone. So hopefully that was helpful. You guys are going to be completing your map. You guys behaved well with the sub. There was really no bad notes, so thank you. I appreciate that so much. You guys are making our class proud, making me proud by making sure we're on our best behavior and making sure that the learning continues even when I'm not in class. So I appreciate that so much, guys. We got a lot of fun stuff coming up school-wise. We have our Red Ribbon Week, so look out for announcements and flyers on that Spirit Week and different activities. So that's what's keeping me busy, along with other things I'm working on in the office. So thank you guys so much for letting me take a little bit of time off from you guys and help out the main office with different activities. So I'll tell you guys all about that when I get back. And that's it for me. So let's make sure we're on our best behavior, completing your map. Okay, so I'll see you guys around. Miss you guys, and see you guys soon.